look at this. Look at this. I can't even talk. The one day we don't set the alarm, we don't have to set the alarm. These two are up dead on 7 o'clock. Brilliant. I think, what time is it now?
It is 7:49.
7:49. Lifts. I think we've gone a real long way around there, Zach.
I have to show my.
I think we've gone right round, look. This is where we normally come in and we go down there. And I think we've walked all the way around and come back in here. Yeah, let me get the card out then. There's the card, look. So we have left Daddy in bed this morning. Just a minute, Harper. This one's open, look. We are going to head upstairs to the lounge to see what there is. Just, hang on, wait, is this one in it?
I have to it.
She can't reach it, baby. Number 4. Oh. Wait a minute. That was a bit slow, I think. What's it again? I put it in the wrong way. That way. That's it. Oof, we will get there.
Where the back of my army, where the back of my army is shot.
Yeah. So which way was it? This way. So yeah, I've left Zach, Alex in bed, and we are heading into the exec lounge now just to see if there's a little bite to eat that they can sit down and they can eat. No, we can't mess about in here, can we? Because this is for big adults, right? It's empty today, isn't it? We're not getting loads, I'm just getting you something while we're waiting for Daddy, alright? So get some fruit. You used to like them when you was little, them melon ones. Right, okay, you would, wouldn't you? So let's try this again. After Harper needed the toilet, I decided she needed the toilet the minute we got into the lounge. There's some turkey there, there's a yoghurt. Are you having some cereal? Would Harper like some Weetabix? No. You want some cornflakes too? That'll do, matey. You don't need too many. Milk. Can you reach it, milk? Just turn your bowl around a little bit as well and then it'll go all the way around. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong one.
What is that?
Oh, no, it's alright. That's fine. There's skimmed milk and whole milk, but that's fine. You can have that. Oh, it's spitting everywhere.
What's skimmed milk cream?
The red top.
The red top?
The red top that we have at home, but we have normally had the green.
Oh my gosh, this is Nutella.
Okay, so we're not having any right now, are we? Because we're not having any toast yet. We're having our cereal, okay? So we eat all our cereal, and we can maybe have something of that, alright? Is that alright for you? What are you doing, darling? Harper, you're not having anything else? Not until you eat your cereal? No. Is that alright for you?
Are we going downstairs and have more?
Yeah, we'll just have a little bit now, just to keep Daddy asleep in bed. Where's Dad? Look at him. Where is he?
That's a door.
Yeah, no, that's what I said to you. We've got 2 doors. One massive room, 2 doors.
Where's Dad?
Seen the aeroplanes go up now, out with kids. I've just seen 2 in like a minute.
During like a second, you mean?
Well, let's see if we can see any more. Yeah? We think yesterday when we were seeing them from the car park, because that's the car park right there. So we should have been able to see them, but we think they were literally like above just this bit and we couldn't. Because this is like a double paned glass, so this is the glass here, but then that's the glass really, if that makes sense. So they're doing what we hoped they'd do today and change runways and go off that way instead of coming in that way. But there's one. They're not. I think they're from quite a far away runway because they're already quite high. The way they were coming down yesterday was amazing. Right above your head, wasn't it, Zach?
Yeah, it's because the landing.
I know, because the landing. Daddy's awake. I said the one day that we didn't have to set the alarm and we were all up at the 7 o'clock on the dot. Ah, stop it.
Wait, because you don't want to go.
Are you going to have juice in a little Alice cup? What is it?
Orange.
That's not orange, that's milk.
Orange milk in there.
No, I'm going to put you some orange in a nice little be our guest cup, okay?
I want mix this up.
Okay, once, right? Just once. But look, it's cream cheese, not butter.
We found that.
Boiled eggs? Oh, you can have a oh, it's not boiled eggs. You like them when you can dip them in, don't you?
It's not boiled eggs.
It's not boiled eggs.
It is boiled.
Yeah, I know, but what you prefer, you like it when you can dip it in, don't you? And that was the plate for the tongs. You've just took the plate out of the tongs. Let's see what's under this one. There's only one, darling. There might be some more soon. It is hot. Yes, please. No, you're not having it. Don't worry. Look, there's the cute butter. I was looking everywhere for it. There you go, princess. Wow, you're like a real princess, aren't you? That's it, mixed enough then. Put your spoon down, baby girl.
It's milk now.
Yes.
Or some milk.
You don't have milk with orange juice, I'm afraid.
Oh.
Is that okay for you? Is that okay, princess? Yeah? Do you approve? Thank you for being our guest.
Okay.
Bye, most gorgeous bathroom ever. Bye. Bye, room. Bye, airplanes. Bye, living room. Bye, well squeaky's bed. Bye, second most gorgeous bathroom ever. Bye, room.
Bye.
Look at these posh cars. Look at that wedding car, Zach. Look. This one's getting married. Can you see the string on the, can you see the ribbon on the front? It means getting married. And that posh car, Harper. Come on then.
I like that.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, we can buy it.
Oh, can we?
Yeah.
Well, you need to save up lots of pennies.
I'll put pennies.
Have you got some pennies?
I'm
not sure. It's British Airways one. The one that we saw earlier at about 10:30 was Virgin, and it was going to New York, wasn't it, Zach? Where was it going to see? Who was it going to see? Home Alone. It was like, is that plane going to see Home Alone? It's so warm today, isn't it? Jeez Louise. It's going to be a hot day. Right now we are en route to Wembley. Busy, aren't the car parks all full? This is the car park that they use.
500 people for that wedding.
Yeah, there is a lot of people. There's a wedding there today. They look beautiful though, don't they? All in like the... Oh, look at that plane.
We
That's the Virgin one. Oh no, is it? Yeah, that's the Virgin one. Shall I see where that one's going to if I can? It's 10:54. Let's have a look. Is it working?
No.
You use the exit one?
That's what she's given us, exit ticket.
Yeah. What did it do?
I don't know, that one's hanging out with it.
It says 1 moment, please.
I know it does, but then it goes off and when I put the ticket in it says 1 moment please. Insert ticket.
You just press the call thing, can you give her help? I'll have a look. What's that? 10:55. It was a Virgin one, that one, wasn't it? No, that was, unless it's early. There's one at 11 o'clock going to Atlanta, Zach. That woman was stood around there, wasn't she? So she's probably not even in that office. Did they put you on hold?
I don't know what that is.
Are you putting it in the right way? There's a little bay here. Park in this bay.
I'm not parking anywhere, I'm going back to see that woman.
Are you going to reverse all around the car park?
I'm reverse it, I can tell you.
So we was en route to Wembley, but we can't get out the car park.
When I'm trying to put the ticket in, it just says 1 moment please, and then you put it in and it just goes back to 1 moment please. It won't do anything. The ticket won't go in.
Should work. Yeah.
Back up and go forward again.
Try again now.
Yeah.
Go up to the barrier, it should work, but when you go to the barrier, go drive slowly up to the barrier.
Yeah.
Because they may have not read
the number plate, right? No worries.
And then put your ticket in.
Because that one was hanging out when I got there, so I don't know if someone's had issues with that as well.
That's probably why. So don't put this in.
No, I took that one, I was trying to put mine in.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's probably why. So reverse, just drive now up slowly.
Yeah.
And then put your ticket in.
Right, no worries, mate.
Can you go around through it? Drive up slowly, Alex. Well, it must be too much to do with your edge plate. Let's try now. It's done it. Done it, don't we? The man just started talking. He was waiting ages, wasn't you? Hello, how can I help? Oh, it's so hot. So hot. That Mr. the Michelin Man, she's seen that twice now. She's seen the Michelin Man twice. Who is it, Harper? The Michelin Man. He's like, oh, there's an airplane. He's like, what is he?
Tyre on there.
Is it tyres? But why is he white? Yeah, but I thought it was maybe like, he's like a marshmallow, isn't he? That's what it looks like. It looks like a marshmallow. It looks like a big marshmallow, doesn't it, Harper? Oh. The Michelin Man.
What's the Michelin Man?
The tyre man. We've got our flags out. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the flag? There's a flag there. Daddy's got a flag. We've got flags here, look. Got all our flags out, haven't we, Harper? Because where we're going, who we're going to go see now?
Wembley.
Wembley.